Need to pick stocks for your portfolio and not sure what to do? Let's take a look. Simple criteria to pick stocks. Take a look around your environment. You know, what you use and what a lot of people use and what might seem to be a favorite product for the masses. So let's take a look at a good example, Apple Computer. I mean, I know in my home we have pretty well all our electronic devices are either Apple iPhones, iPads, or Mac computers. So when you think of that, that would probably be a good pick for your stock portfolio. And if you look around at a coffee shop or um, a restaurant or whatever the case may be, generally you're going to see a lot of people using Apple devices. So there's a good indication that that would be a good stock for your portfolio. Now, in another example, take a look at what you use in your home. What kind of products do you use? If you're using a certain kind of toothpaste or you're using a certain kind of shampoo or food items, if you're buying a certain kind of pasta, those types of things are good examples of where to look for companies that are popular. And if a company is popular with the masses, there's a good chance that that stock is a good pick and a good long term investment. Products and services that you use. So, for instance, where do you buy your gasoline? If you buy your gasoline from Shell, do you notice that there's lineups all the time to buy that product? Usually multinational companies that pay great dividends, like Procter and Gamble and Kellogg's, the folks that make your breakfast cereal. All of these are companies that have a long track record of paying dividends and also great stability in their stock prices. So just look around your world and you will find all kinds of great indications of great companies to invest in. I wanted to do this video as I get a lot of comments asking me what stocks to pick. I hope this helps you out in your stock picking endeavors. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence, as this isn't financial advice. It's just trying to help out my subscribers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit the notification button as I do upload new videos a couple of times a week. And I hope that this will help you out. Thanks a lot. Bye now.